There's the Thanksgiving turkey, the Christmas roast, and the Easter ham. This sweet and succulent dish is the star of the Easter table, and if you want to make sure your ham shines at the big dinner, Chef Nettie Frank is here to help. It's always so good to see you, sister.
Good to be here.
I was just confessing to Nettie, I made my first Easter ham, like hosted for the first time, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago, and I thought it was going to be this big cooking adventure experience, like the Thanksgiving turkey, like my first Thanksgiving turkey, you know? And
yes.
I don't know what I was thinking, but I pulled it out, and I'm like, it's kind of already done.
Yeah, it's done. It's
okay, so we don't need to even really cook it. We just need to warm it, but you're going to help us dress it.
Yes, so that's exactly right. So this is actually a dish that I love having every other week with my family.
Do you?
Yes, because it's just that comfort food of mashed potatoes and the ham. And like you said, when the ham is baking in the oven, it's like...
Well, the smell is so comforting, isn't it?
Right, memories of childhood at your grandma's.
It's my grandma's house. Yes, yes,
so it's so good. But we want to do like a brown sugar glaze. Now, again, this is really easy, but we're going to make our own brown sugar.
I read that last night. I always look at show notes before I go to bed, and I'm like, trust Nettie to make her own brown sugar. I don't even know what's in brown sugar. I mean sugar.
So everybody has it, even grandma does, and it's probably still been there from when you were a child, right?
Doesn't
it's
expire?
No, it never does. This stuff is so fantastic. So with also like your food storage stuff, don't buy brown sugar already pre-made. Keep your sugar, have molasses, and that's all you need.
Is that just what, a convenience thing for you, or is it a flavor thing for you?
All of the above.
You like the flavor better?
Yeah. So we're just going to take, so I've got like about a cup in here of regular granulated sugar. Okay. And we're going to do just a couple of tablespoons.
I am going to do this. Whatever Nettie tells me to do this coming Sunday.
And then I just take a glove, right? And we're just going to work it really fast. I mean, you can get a spoon, but it might just take a minute. So my daughter, when she wants oatmeal in the morning, this is what I make for her. A quick little brown sugar to go in it. Or if I'm making cookies, this is...
Don't you ever wonder how the families of chefs eat? That's how. They have...
Well, don't ask them quite yet. I mean, I've been busy and out of town working, so...
They have homemade brown sugar atop their, what did you say? Oatmeal.
Yes, that's the best.
Now, so this seems kind of like a sensory play date.
Oh, yeah, it's like kinetic sand, you know?
Totally.
Yeah, so look at that. So you just keep working it until all of that is completely done. Look at that.
Oh, my goodness.
Totally ready.
And there's brown sugar, and that's it?
That's it. And now we're going to pour this all over the ham. Okay. So let me move this. See how easy that was?
That was easy.
Look at it.
I mean, I don't know if I would do it at 8 in the morning over oatmeal, but I definitely will do it for my Easter ham.
All right, I'm just going to put the whole thing on it. There we go. More sugar, the better, I think.
Okay.
All right, and so now we're going to, I always do pineapple with mine. So we can do fresh pineapple, and of course, I'm going to show you how to cut a pineapple.
Please do.
Right? All right, so we're going to cut the top, right?
Yes.
And the bottom.
Yes.
Like that. Now we're going to stick this up on its
I'm watching closely.
Knuckles to the blade.
Knuckles to the blade.
Yep. We're just going to carve it down.
This is one of those tasks I always delegate to the men in my life. Mark, take it. Dad, take it.
Yeah, so you just carve this down really nice and easy. And then we're just going to make slices. And with this, you can just, let me cut it in half real fast. Whoa, sorry.
Pineapple down.
Listen, we're not gonna, once it hits the ground, by the way, it's done, okay? Like, there's no 5-second rule, there's no any of that.
Even in your...
No, are you kidding me?
If I'm cooking for someone else, never. I don't want anyone to be alarmed. If I'm cooking for myself, sometimes 5-second applies.
No,
what?
Like dirty floor, icky, no. Like, no, we can't do that. All right.
The good thing about my friend Nettie is, yeah, she just judged me, but I know she still loves me. That's a good friend.
It totally is. I do love you. So we've got these slices, right? Really thin slices.
Really thin?
Yeah, and you can place them in between the ham. Rip it off. And now that I covered it with brown sugar, let me...
Oh, in between?
Yeah, in between.
So this is going to get the juices.
If you want like the fresh pineapple, but if not, it's totally okay to just do crushed, right? Like let me grab this, and I just take a can of crushed pineapple on these times that I'm really busy, and I just pour it right on top. Okay. Like that. And with the juices and the ham, once the ham starts cooking down, it is like, it turns into the most delicious glaze. You can smell it.
It
is so delicious.
What's that?
Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
Yep. So then it goes into the oven at like 375, 350 for like half an hour.
What's the OJ for?
So if you don't have pineapple juice and you use fresh pineapple, or if you just like, I just have brown sugar, do orange juice. It's fantastic. It's actually my secret sauce for my ribs. I always cook my ribs in orange juice before I hit it on the grill. Okay. So, yeah, and now you've got a glaze.
Look how lovely.
Absolutely. And this is the orange sugar and fresh brown sugar that I just made here. Yeah.
This is getting me so excited.
Yay.
And motivated to, like you, serve ham a little more often. Why just at
Yes.
Easter? Why?
To be honest, I don't know.
Yeah,
I
come
don't
on.
know. I mean, I love the quick, it's already sliced little
Right.
ham like that, and I have it in my fridge. And even if for breakfast, you can hurry and pull a few pieces out for a protein for your kids.
And whip
before
up
school.
like some homemade brown sugar.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I love you
Yes.
so much. Where can we get more recipes from you, Chef Nettie?
ChefNettie.com or on Instagram and all other platforms, Chef Nettie Frank.
And if you haven't heard, Nettie is doing this amazing travel opportunity, hosting this amazing travel opportunity in the fall. Tell us
we
about
are going
that.
to London, and it is a luxury foodie tour. So if you are the ultimate foodie, you've got to join us. There's like 14 spots left, and we are doing everything you can think of. Like, we're going to be up at a vineyard, and you're going to walk through the vineyard, and there's going to be a big, huge table that we're going to have a 6-course meal by
You'll have that all
chef.
set up.
Yes.
So I think of
it's
people
incredible.
who want to go to London at some point in their life, and then
Yeah.
who also love food. This is the
Yes.
perfect chance for that.
Yes, it's amazing.
Okay, and
So-
we're seeing her cookbook as well. All of the details on all of her things. No wonder you're busy.
I know.
Whew! No wonder you're
going
busy.
on?
On her website, Chef Nettie Frank will link you over there from ours as well. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Thank you so much. Look for that link on our food page at studio5.ksl.com. That's where you'll find today's recipe for the Easter ham glaze. And we hope it's a great go-to resource for all of your Easter recipes. That's a big cooking day ahead, so we are helping you get prepared and get ready. Studio 5 is your food friend.